Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Johnny D here. I'm back making another video for you guys today. How are you guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day as always. And today's video is gonna be a random video for you guys today. Today, it's currently around like 2:10 p.m. and I go to work at 3:30. We gonna squat in the moped. But yeah, anyway, guys, today's just a completely random video. I'm gonna throw in the clips, some of the clips that I got on 4th of July. Some of the firework clips that I got on the first person point of view in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna try to make more videos as soon as I have a chance to, guys, but I'm currently busy, working, and then when I get back from work I'm pretty tired, and it's pretty hard to make videos for me because in my situation, I don't have a PC nor Wi-Fi in my household, so all the videos that I make, I have to download the clips into my iPhone, then I have to edit on my iPhone, then download them to the photo or video folder on my phone, then I have to upload them to YouTube, and that takes a minute, and like it's just a big old hassle, guys. Sorry about that, but yeah, I'm gonna be trying to upload some more. I really do appreciate all the support that I've been getting. I don't feel like I would say this enough, but I do appreciate all the support I'm getting, so thank you guys so much for that. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, because I want to get to 250 subscribers before my birthday month in October. So I know we could do this, guys. I'm gonna try to break 300 subscribers by December. Hopefully all goes well, but yeah, if you're new, please subscribe. It will really help me out, guys, and it'll make my day. But other than that, I'm gonna throw in the firework clips that I got on 4th of July. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Go follow me on all the links in the description. Get my Instagram to 200 followers, guys, so I could have 200 followers, on Twitter, on my YouTube. You guys could add me on Snapchat too, so I could have 200 viewers on Snapchat. I want to break 200 this year completely on all social medias. So yeah, make sure you guys go follow me, subscribe if you're new, and enjoy these firework clips, and I will be back tomorrow with another video. So yeah, fizz up later. We're about to light this on fire, though. Cami, ¿dónde vas?
¿Te dieron permiso de ir? Cami, Cami.
Bruh, there's no way. There you go. It's just as far.
Give me the lighter so we can throw it.
That was trash. Essa também. É mini tank. We finna try the mini tank out next. Until that burns out. Alright, so this is done. This is whack. What the fuck?